Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how you guys can buy an iTunes gift card online. So before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe with notification on to our channel because we post content like this. So to get notified for our future video, be sure to subscribe with notification on, and let's start today's video without any further ado. So go to your browser and type apple.com and you're going to be taken to this website, and over here you can go to this search button and you can type iTunes gift card. You can search for iTunes gift card and then press enter, search for it. Then it's going to take you to this page. Now you can click on gift cards and click on buy. Now over here you can choose whether you want this gift card to be sent via email or through mail. So I'm going to click on email and choose a design. This is the design I'm going to choose. And the amount, it starts from $25 and ranges to how much you want. Like you can click on other amount and type $200 over here as well. So yeah, so I'm going to buy an iTunes card for $200. That's what it's going to show. Who you want to send this to. Enter the person's name to whom you want to send this to. Let me add Richie, and their email. Let me enter the email. Entering the email, click who it's from. So it's from me, and enter your email over here. This is optional over here, but if you want to add a message, like let's add a message saying, then save. So this is going to be the email. Now after filling up all this form, you can click on add to bag. Once you click on add to bag, it's going to take you over here. Now this is going to be your total amount. Now you can click on checkout. After you click on checkout, you can click on continue as guest if you don't have an Apple ID. Now, over here you can choose whether you want to pay using your PayPal or your credit card or debit card. So I'm going to click on credit card and debit card. So now enter all your card information over here, your card number, expiration date, your CVV number, and the country from where you are, your first name, last name, street address, the street address, zip code. This is optional, like the building number or not. And enter your email over here, phone number over here. And after entering your email and phone number, you can click on continue to review, and it's going to review if all your information is correct or not, and it will order your iTunes card. So that's basically how you buy an iTunes card. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And I'm signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.